भारत महाजाति, भारत महाजाति, भारत महाजाति, भारत महाजाति, भारत महाजाति, न्यू डेटा, भारत महाजाति, भारत। तो दौड़ी लागबे नाकि दौड़ी लागबे दौड़ी लागबे जाए चलिए ले ভালো লাগে তো এটা নিয়ে লে তো ফোন নাম্বারটা কি 93 68 915 আরেকবার বলে নে 93 তোর আধার কার্ডটাতে সুদীপ নিয়োগী পিতার নাম
বিবেকানন্দ নিয়োগী
বিবেকানন্দ ভিলেজ
রনডাঙ্গা
রনডাঙ্গা
পোস্ট বদনগঞ্জ
পঞ্চায়েত
কোকন
পঞ্চায়েত ঠিক আছে তোর on the storm of this 1 week ago the devastation the twice three thrice Kokon chalo Hooghly district very but they have not been provided by Modi and neither home neither there my till mar gelo chalo
এটা লোনে
ঠিক আছে তুই এটা বেঁধে নে শিব 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 due to the heavy rain that system is almost to be destroyed for water logging. There is no scope of because all evil of panchayat of the Sambaja. They are very criminal. All are today is everywhere is a criminal and greedy, nonsense, stupidity. केवल नूनू में सेंस है और मिट्टी के अंडरनीथ perspective you can draw the sense the pain is catching the no sense nonsense evil art that blue sacks most dreadful that these people can read that one it is very very difficult for them to other people it's a very difficult because this they will not allow me videograph on higher resolution it is very impossible very সাবধানে যাবি রাস্তাটা ওঠার সময় একটু সাবধানে यदा यदा ही धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत मुक्तेश्वर महाराज शिव 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 दुर्गा दुर्गा बालागढ़ देवीगढ़ शिवगढ़ हरगढ़ this is the हरगढ़ actually if you can tell them नारायण अप्पा की गढ़ हरो अप्पा की गढ़ मल्लो अप्पा की मतलब his greater uncle रामपा लक्ष्मण जी के eldest brother that Ramji Ram Bharat Lakshman Shatrugna so 8 sons love course Ramji Taksha Pushkal Pakistan Indokush Lahore Kushore and Rawalpindi Perisporus etc then Lakshmanji third brother Sumitra Nandan first one is a Angad ji Gaya Nalanda and that is younger one that Adi Malla Chandraketu Chandrakana. This is a royal. This is in Balagad. Bala is that Devi God Singhavahini, Ma Durga, Parvati. And that is what this place where his home is Kokondo, Badangan. That will be talked about as a later on added Balagad. Because this land will be very good for Lord Shiva Dhanas strip of Iceland, that Devakhanda. It is totally actually gathering of Om, three goddess, that Uma or her daughter Lakshmi or Bhagavati Bharati, Saraswati, and then Shiva. तस्कर सकूत धर्म दुर्जन सकूत समावेशनं च कूत स्नेह सत्तं च कामिनम. मोदी इज ए असुर कामिनम झूठा. इसमें राजधर्म कहाँ से होता है? श्री श्री मुक्तेश्वर महाराज जी. That will be very difficult time. I will not be able to spend much time. माँ बुढ़ी माँ तो इसे आशीर्वाद कर. हाँ कर दीजिए. राम जी मेरा पूषण आश्रम, that particular photograph पूषण आश्रम. माँ दुर्गा, सिंहवाहिनीगढ़, बालागढ़, शिवगढ़ और हरगढ़. हरगढ़, शिवगढ़, सेवड़ागढ़ और शिवगढ़ और जनार्दन जगन्नाथ पीठा दी. तो राम जी का रामगढ़ भी है, लक्ष्मण सीता जी, आदि जगन्नाथगढ़ श्री विष्णुगढ़. and the greatest saint of this time, real Kalki Avatar Sri Vishnu, Sri Sri Mukteswar Maharaj ji. So he is another his same photograph and my this is that Ishwaramic Islamic concept, Ishwaramic Islamic concept, Gauri Shankar and Maharaj ji, Mukteswar. So I am from Dr. R.N. Roy, IVRI Mukteswar, IVRI, Ajatnagar, Belili, UP. My identity, Dr. R.N. Roy. So all this if you were that will be very difficult if you can never palan karun. Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Gocharam Tamagocharam Govindam Paramahananda. गोविंद की सेवा करना गो शेफाड़ काउ शेफाड़ के जैसे प्रजा की परमानंद सदगुरु प्रणतः आदि गुरु. तो श्री हरि मद भक्त शंकर देशी हरि बोलছেন. हरि is speaking at preaching or telling, claiming, demanding. Mad bhakta, mine devotees should not be envious or hater denigrated to Shankar, their followers, or Maddeshi. Mine शंकर प्रिय शंकर की शिव जी के फॉलोअर शुड नॉट बी एनवियस टू डेनिग्रेट मलाइना टू मी. तो वह तो नरक जातो जावच्च दिवाकर दिवाकर सूर्य कोटि जन्मार्जते पुण्य शिवे भक्ति प्रयाजते जिन सर्प. सो आई एम दैट रिपब्लिक लिपिज्म. आई एम पब्लिक टू लॉर्ड हरि कम श्री 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 हरि नारायण प्रजापालन of Om as a generator, G-O-D, that God concept, that Om. So I am Om Sri Ilaha. Ilaha, Ilaha, O Arkavar, Ilahi Arkavar. Mango to dekha. So my Aadhaar, this is my Aadhaar, that 697586672973. The top Aadhaar ki right ki and the learned, spiritually, religiously, only competent and tough excellence. So भारत की बंगाली में देव की वेद सम पुरानी संविधान लागू हुई थी. that holy constitution श्री हरि हरि की देश में श्री हरि के राजधर्म आदेश उपदेश के बारे में. I am Dr. R.N. Roy, ex-senior scientist. I left service at premature date, only completing 20 years of service as minimum required in government record. The भारत की सार्वभौमत्व sovereignty, the 7 अगस्त में clear cut declaration and others all condition about the pilgrimage Raj, the political rules, etc., religious rules can become कोई stupid secular is called as religious for other religious or science, ain law or Vidan constitution for what should be for India, divinity country, home, Ori ke desh mein. So this is the, if it is north side, this is my goddess Bala daughters. Goddess or her daughters, Lakshmi Saraswati and their Sakhi's friends. So Bala God is in Iceland, Bala Deep. Even that portion is another is a top Sri Hara, Lord Shiva. From his name Sri Hara, it is come block Kotalpur. That is Bishnupur constitution, Baudi Sumitra Baudi Evil. That Bankura district of West Bengal. So Kali, Mother Kali, Devi की गॉड है. Kalika, Bala, Balagor or Balagor of the modern is Hooghly Bus Adi Saptagram. So in the 7 gram, two top important three, that is Narayanpur for Narayan God, Devi God, and Malla God, Shihara God. About that, Tarakinath later on and Saptagar Sadbedia, then is Jipta, Mahagan ke Ashin Choripata, Mahajan, and Malla God ki lower portion. That western portion Malladaha and eastern portion and the Tarahat, Adi Jagannath. This is that Jisnishwar and Vishnuswar. That Kush and Labdike twin ships and Sri Hara Joy Rambati. So is a Kusdeep, that Kashinath is a Amarpur, Amar River, Darakeshwar, Damodar, Ajoy, and it is the Tara, Matara, top fish, and then oh, this is the Kashtavati Silavati twin, and then Kangshavati, the Kharagpur, and that Suvarnareka. That's I have told you, Modi is a totally stupid. First you tell him stupid, but he's total arrogant and very evil demons coming. Nonsense, evil Satanism, Musalman to Hinduism, Musalman to Islam. So I am Raja Surokaya Yogi Sadhu. So I am Ajyota Tata Tirthi Sitra Sri Robinji Ramji Muniji के 8 तो विनय सत्य अहिंसा बोध दाता. So I am about the प्रकृति के ऊपर भोग जाए पर non touching with five sense and mind etc. So भोग के ऊपर any kind of attachment or enjoyment should be avoided. As yogi sadhu muni devaswara samagan ki sar matlab critical what is called in that Gita also and Lord Sri Buddha ki Vinayak Tripitak Sri Bhagda उत्थापित. So भारतवर्ष के महाजातित्व महा great responsibility liabilities and dutiful paraarth public republic I am top republicanism. So Arja Monu is a Lord Monu, his name is another called Jama Monu. He is on earth as a Arja apart from Dev Devi. So भारत वर्ष महाजाति के भारत राज सभन उत्थापित. So Surya Arka Mihir three sun ki name solar name Surya Arka Mihir and Indu Som Chandra is a lunar name. So Arka's daughter is Ira or Ila. So their sons are Ilavanto or Iravanto, Arja Banto or Ajanta Ilora. At the same time, the Arjavanto Ilora, Ilaki Ganga. And similarly, obviously, that माँ भगवती भारती जब शतरूपा उनके पुत्र इक्षा को बड़ा पुत्री यज्ञ सैक्रिफाइस यज्ञ पुत्री इरा सो भारतवर्ष को महाजाति सो इंदु से हिंदुत्व धर्म मत संग संगा पंथा पद तीर्थ बौद्ध उपाय परिवेश. हाँ ऑब्वियसली भादुड़ी एंड लाहिड़ी बागजी लोग इज नियर टू मी Barandra Seni of East Bengal as we are from 12 bar or royal Monuki curriculum. So we are there because I have as for this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, whenever we will identify the greatest son as a sage has come on earth or any yogi muni may rewardable, so we have to attend and we have give all type of assistance for his spreading speeches, keeping surviving, etc. So Bharat Mahajati, Southern, my Aadhar as I have told. So is on right side, Shauragara, Shivagara, Shauragare, Shiva, Hara, Shiva, Shivagara. So another is, if it is another way you call, Norpa, Narayan, Appa ki God. Then also Ram, Sita, Malla, Raghuvansha ki राजा रानी सीतापुर है ये धाम है जगन्नाथपुर श्री विष्णु और लक्ष्मी की गॉड श्री की गॉड एंड देन मल्ल इज ए लक्ष्मण जी यज्ञासन आदि मल्ल चंद्र केतु. सो मल्ल का क मल्ल इज ए मल्ल देन क सो इट इज कॉल्ड मल्ल क और मुल्ल को. is equal. Has come by Muslim. It has been meant Mulluka or Britishers. Unless it will be Mallaka. Mallakasha. Mallakasha god or Mallakasha place of the Mallabhum. So it is all the Visnupur, Chandrakona, Godbeta, etc. All are Malla gods. So my pin codes of this Mallaka where I am standing in my ashram, hermitage, etc. That is pin code is 712612. Or this my goddess Bala, my own birthplace, Srihara, Shivagram, where Shambhala, I have thus come on Shambhala, where Bhagavan Shiv taking Sita become Shambhala. Malab, think thoughtless, workless, so in that sense is Shambhala Desh. So it is I have come and that is a Kalki avatar. So Kotalpur, that is the goddess, Bala god, then Baladeep, Srihara, that is the name Srihara, equal. Then it is the block of Kotalpur, which is parliamentary constitution of Sri Vishnupur. Then it's a Bomkura, Bankura. Bom Trinity, Om ki abbreviation form of Bankura. Om, Trinity. Trinity God ki religious, it's called Dharma totality. Om, Bom, Shiva or Ka, Sri Vishnu, Purush Narayan, and Ura is Brahmaji. So माँ काली सती के पहला वर्ष में दक्ष कन्या के हिसाब से काली की देह के काया के गिरा कम पातन किए थे री टेकन सो दैट इज द देवी गॉड इज कॉल्ड बाला की deep iceland on sea. So it is a strip from Vishnupur or the Ajodhya Pahad toward this ocean Bay of Bengal. So God Mandar. So Raj Dharma Acharya responsibility reminder, re-establish, revival. So today is I have mentioned very critically. So I have Dr. R.N. Rai, IVRI, Ajatnagar, Mukteshwar. So I have to write over Mukteshwar, Ajatnagar. Originally I am a scientist of this, and this is 6971. My phone number is, if you have to affirm then, that 7478992896. Another one 740733. If it is needed for anyone to ask why you are not listening, Bharat ke Raja Adhipati jo best science technology is there in our far sight views and he is all clothed, he is a Vishwa Samrat, सबको ज्ञाता है तो उनको सुनना तो NIA National Agency, so he should, they should, because they are avoiding me, neglecting, ignoring me, my complaints. So all are the Das for region army, politics, judge, judicial press, everywhere is the evil criminal shatam. So Bharat ki jada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata. So I have told two phone number and my Aadhaar. That is in English 69758667 and 2973. So top आधार की राइट भारत की आदमी कहे नर कहे जो भी है सो रामपा नरपा नारायण रामपा मल्लपा मिलरपा और मल्ल के जो डिसेंडेंट हुआ शिलभद्र अतीश दीपंकर एक्सेट्रा पुत्र को जो राजकुमार प्रिंस प्राणश्री, so all those that mentioned. So baby